Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive straight into the heart of efficiently managing your business with Monday.com by learning how to build executive dashboards. Let's start with the first step, selecting your dashboard. Once you're logged into Monday.com, click on the Dashboards button at the left side of your screen. The reason we do this is to access the main dashboard area where you can create, manage, and customize your dashboards. Now that we've selected our dashboard, let's move to the next step, which is adding widgets. Click on the plus Add Widget button located on the top right corner of your dashboard. This helps us because widgets are the building blocks of your dashboard, allowing you to visualize your data in various ways, such as pie charts, bar graphs, or timelines. After adding the widgets, it's time to customize them. Click on the settings icon on your selected widget and choose the data you want to display. You can also change the colors and labels to match your preference. Let me explain why this matters. Customization is key to making your dashboard relevant and visually appealing, as well as easy to understand at a glance. Next up, let's talk about sharing your dashboard. To do this, click on the Share button at the top right corner of your dashboard. You can share it with specific team members or the whole organization. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you share your dashboard, it helps to ensure everyone is aligned and has access to the same data, promoting transparency within your organization. Finally, let's not forget to save our dashboard. Click on the Save button at the top right corner. This is important because it ensures that all the changes you've made get stored, preventing loss of data or information. To wrap up, creating an executive dashboard in Monday.com is essentially a 5-step process. Selecting your dashboard, adding widgets, customizing them, sharing your dashboard, and saving it. Remember, the primary goal of the dashboard is to give a clear, concise view of business performance, so keep it simple, visual, and relevant to your team. And that's it for this tutorial. You're now ready to create your own executive dashboards in Monday.com. Thank you for watching.